Hi there, my name is Drina Nibby and I'm with Denver Counseling Solutions. What we'll do today is show you exactly how to fill out your forms online in the hopes that it'll make the technical difficulties kind of disappear for you. So I'm going to be sharing my screen and walking you through the process. First thing though is that I will assume you have downloaded Adobe Acrobat Reader DC, and that's available for free download. Just Google Adobe Acrobat Reader DC and type in whether you've got a Mac or a PC, and it'll automatically download to your computer, and that is a free version. So I'm going to assume that you've already done that, and we'll go from there. So what you'll want to do is you'll want to go to Denver Counseling Solutions. Under Forms and Fees, down menu, the online forms that are the fillable PDFs. You're going to need two. One is the informed consent for teletherapy, and the second is either the client form or the child form. If you are a family that's coming in, you'll want the adults to fill out the client forms, and then you'll be filling out the child form for said children that would be involved in family therapy. I'm going to go ahead and click client form here. Now this is where people get caught up. They'll think that if they start typing here directly in the URL that they'll be able to save the document. That does not work. So what you'll want to do first is actually download the document. I've already done that, so you'll just click download and directly download to your desktop or to your hard drive, and then we'll open it up in Adobe Acrobat. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and click Client Forms Online. And you'll see we've got all these spaces where we can go ahead and type things in. What you'll want to do is first click Fill and Sign. And then you'll click Fill, Sign, and Send. And then what we can do is start filling out information just by putting your cursor over it, click it, and then you can type in whatever you need. That's in the free text forms. Now here you'll see there's a drop-down menu. You click the arrow, select whatever it is you need to select, and then click on any of the fields, type it in. There are many places we need signatures. We have a lot of oversight from the Department of Regulatory Agencies and such. So right here is a place where we would sign. I'm going to show you exactly how to create a signature. What you'll do, and you can do this whether you have something open or not, go into Adobe Acrobat Reader and you'll select Preferences. Then on the left-hand side, you'll select Signatures, and then you'll create Identities and Trusted Certificates. So we'll click More here. Make sure it's digital IDs that are selected, and right here with this plus, we can create a new digital ID right now. So we'll click that, press next. Now I've already done quite a few forms, so I'm gonna have to name this something creative, Zoom. Okay, then it'll ask you for an email address. And this is the highest bit of encryption. You can go ahead and have this other encryption. I don't know that it makes much of a difference, but that's what we've got. Click next. And you'll need to password protect it so that anytime you want to digitally sign a document, you're going to have to confirm the password. So make up a password, it'll finish, and then you can close this out. Now what we'll do is same menu under Preferences, click Signatures, and then I can actually go into Creation and Appearance. And if you want to sign a piece of paper and scan it in, whether by your phone or and via text or a picture, or you have a scannable printer, you can do it that way too. There's also some free apps that are scanner apps. So any way that you want, create a signature that's your actual signature and upload that as a PDF, and you'll be able to implement it here. So if I wanted to create a new one, I can put a title, Zoom. And right here where it says show, I can import a graphic. So I've got my graphic right here, and you just find your PDF signature. I put it in, and we've got it there. So we're gonna show name, date. I don't really need logo, labels. So then we press OK, and we've got Zoom. and then press OK again, OK again. And so then when I want to sign this, I can click sign, and look at that, it's ready for me. Then I can drag it, drop it in, and I can even size it however I want right here, and then continue going forward. So now here's the part that you'll want to do. You'll want to click File, and then when you're done, Save As, and then title your document differently so that you don't accidentally send over a blank document. When you click Save As, then go ahead and title it whatever you want and put it on your desktop, and then you'll be able to email that to us. So the two forms are the client form or the child form, and then the teletherapy consent, and then you'll just email that back to us. Thank you so much for all that you're doing to take charge of your health. And let us know if you have any questions. If you do, you should have received an email from our administration. And if you need to get a hold of someone because the technology isn't working out and you'd like to request a hard copy of the forms to be mailed to you, please call our main line and we will get there, get those forms over to you as quickly as possible. Thanks.